Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of my Ethical Hacking web series. Today, we are going to discuss about the DDoS trends 2023. Cyber attacks are at an all-time high as the globe recovers from the epidemic and moves towards a more cloud-oriented strategy. According to the Identity Theft Resource Center, cyber attacks were to blame for 92% of data breaches in 2022. This serves as a reminder of how crucial it is to appropriately plan for the worst-case scenario. In this video, we'll go through the kinds of cyber attacks you may expect in 2023 and how to get ready for them. We will also go over some recent cybersecurity rules that can apply to your company. 2023 DDoS attack patterns. It is hardly surprising that there are more distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks than ever because they have long been the main security concern. Over 15.4 million DDoS attacks will occur globally in 2023, almost twice as many as in previous year. DDoS attacks as a cyberwarfare tool. The use of DDoS attacks to carry out cyberwarfare will continue, which will lead to a rise in cyber attacks on the world's key infrastructure in the upcoming year. Already in 2022, attacks on sectors such as banking and finance, energy, and healthcare have increased. Cyber attacks on critical infrastructures, CRITIS, are expected to increase unremittingly as they become more digitized while geopolitical conflicts become more prevalent. State-sponsored DDoS attacks. According to research, state-sponsored DDoS attacks have increased over the past year, and this trend is expected to continue. During wars like the Russia and Ukraine, such attacks are frequently employed to interfere with communications or destroy vital infrastructure. 2023 DDoS weapons. The number of DDoS weapons has virtually quadrupled over the last 2 years. The most risky protocols are still Simple Service Discovery Protocol, SSDP, followed by Trivial File Transfer Protocol, TFTP. Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP, Port Map, Domain Name System, DNS, Resolvers, and Simple Network Management Protocol, Port Map. With almost 2 million amplification weapons and botnet agents, China was the nation hosting the most DDoS weapons during the previous year. How to prepare for DDoS attacks in 2023. What's unsettling is that, in a study, 40% of chief security officers did not believe their organizations were prepared for today's threats. With that in mind, here are some key things to ensure DDoS attacks on your organization are mitigated. Use state-of-the-art automated DDoS defenses. Accurate and quick attack detection is crucial for defense against anything from large-scale amplification assaults to zero-day attacks. Avoid this at all costs since there are several instances when DDoS mitigation systems misinterpret traffic surges from marketing campaigns as DDoS attacks and block them appropriately. Monitor users, traffic, and devices. Even with careful defense and technological planning, there is always a chance that attacks will be so significant or sophisticated that there won't be enough internal defenses. For such situations, it is important to know your options. Who are you going to call? Do you know the options and associated costs? Who needs to be involved internally to reach a decision? Hope this video helps. We publish cybersecurity related educational content every week. So, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.